Go ahead.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. Here at Ken's Repair Shop, we're going to work on a lot of different things. If you've been here before, you've seen some of the things we've already done. If it's first time here, we're going to be working on houses, cars, trucks, trailers, just whatever we might happen to get our hands into. So I want to thank you for being here and hope you come back. Smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Okay, here we are today. We're going to be working on this Cub Cadet. It's got a 17.5 horsepower OHV, which is overhead valve engine. Start it up and show you what it's doing. Adjust the carburetor and see if that cures the problem. If not, we'll have to pull it off and we'll have to pull it off and clean it if that don't fix the problem. We got to take a few things out of our way here. That's our resident Karen.
Ozzy, chill.
Oh my God.
Ozzy, lay down. Young lady, sunbathe or get in your chair. Hi, Bumble.
Watch that hood come down on it. Pulling this side panel off so we can gain easier access to the carburetor. The fuel distribution module, whatever you want to call it. A bigger one. Wow. I wonder if this has been apart before.
It might be, it might have been.
I know it was missing one bolt. You got to be kidding me.
it stuck?
Sorta, kinda. Is that gonna stay up there?
If I let it go slowly, yeah. Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Taking this breather top off, or bottom I should say. Wow, Lord have mercy. That ain't gonna happen.
There's no way this is getting hot already.
Wouldn't surprise me.
It started to dim, so I'll wait on it to tell me that it's getting too hot. That's why I got my hand over the battery area. Trying to keep the sun off of it.
Two screws in the top and two nuts down here in the bottom just to get this little piece off. Ain't that about crazy? Push that little bit thing down to get it to come loose. And what do we see here? We see a non-adjustable carburetor. Okay. Alrighty then.
So what does that mean?
Means it's going to have to come off and be cleaned. Huh. I got the carburetor off. We had a little camera issue, but we got we got it off anyhow. Now we're gonna open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. That's an anti-diesel switch. It's working good. It's not stuck or anything. That closes closes the fuel off and causes it to shut down without dieseling. I need a filter screwdriver.
I asked you if you had everything, sir.
That's all I did. Remember, I don't get paid.
That's funny. She whisper barked. Oh, that stinks. Is that the fuel?
Gas. Gas cleans. Get her done 91.
Get her done 91.
It's actually 85.
Oh, that looks nice and clean.
Don't look bad at all, does it?
Not at all. Check that out, y'all. Nice and clean.
Uh-oh.
Something just fell down in there.
Mm-hmm. That must go right there. Well, I thought it did anyway. Oh, it fell out of the center of this. Cool. This ought to be pretty simple.
This way because of the dog water.
Just get him high.
I don't want to kill my dog.
Well, what about me?
You ain't got to drink the dog water.
Oh, I gotta spray it.
Hold your breath. That went everywhere, didn't it?
Carburetor don't look that bad, really.
Well, it may not be the carb.
Now, if I put this back on after I clean it, it runs perfect. What are you gonna say then?
Then I'll say it was the carburetor. I know how to admit when I'm wrong. I'm a grown-ass adult.
Most of that come off the outside.
I don't know if that came from any of those.
This ought to be an easy rebuild clean.
Ow.
I didn't do it.
Oh, I sneezed and hurt my nose. Getting hot already.
Ignore. Ignore.
Gotta love telemarketers. Can't get a moment's peace. Welcome to telemarketers are us.
Another can gone.
And it's already starting to dim already.
But look who's holding it.
Oh, very funny.
It didn't look as bad as I thought it was going to. Hopefully this will be a pretty easy fix.
So when we come back, what are we gonna do?
Put the carburetor back on. Power it up. Power it up. Power it up. See what happens. Okay, we got our carburetor clean. We're fixing to put it back on. I apologize for you not getting to see me take it all the way off. We've been having some camera issues, been overheating and shutting off on it. So, okay, we're gonna put the carburetor back on. We're gonna hook these cables up here, these rods. One's for the throttle, other one's for the choke. Wheel. Fingers crossed around there, right, Ken? holding my mouth right. Ta-da! Oh, really? Really?
Didn't it just fall out?
I don't know where it was hooked. That's the issue. I don't know where it was hooked. Okay. Let me see here. Okay.
Do you need help? Here, let me put these over so you got somewhere to sit.
I don't know. I'm confused. I'm so confused. I don't know. Well, I'm hung up because I don't know how that went in there.
Do I need to go over and do whatever it is you did to lift that one piece? Maybe it goes down to the bottom?
It has to go up here somewhere because if it don't, the throttle ain't gonna push it. Okay, that looks like that might work. I don't know. We'll have to see. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the carburetor on. We'll figure that out later because I can take this piece off if I have to figure out how it went.
What about that hose?
That hose connects to the next piece I'm putting on.
Oh, okay.
That black plastic piece I took off
Yeah.
goes on it. Gotta plug this up here. Why does everything have to be so difficult?
Yeah, it's just a difficult kind of day.
Helps turn it the right direction, I guess. Gas is coming out pretty good. Okay, now, plastic clips.
You know, I never minded the smell of gas. It smells better than diesel.
You're a Penelope pit stop kind of girl. Remember Penelope pit
Yeah,
stop?
I remember Penelope Pit Stop. It was also one of Mom's many nicknames. She hated it. They also called her Nickel.
Penny, nickel, dime, quarter.
Mm-hmm.
You know why you can't never get rid of a bad penny?
Mm.
Because she always comes back.
Yeah.
Come on. Ding, 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 ding. Now, we got it this far. Let's see what it sounds like.
Is it going to start with that metal piece not being connected? Yeah, lift that back up so I can show you what I was talking about.
Let's swap back up.
Whatever button you were pushing. Or was it the lever you were pushing?
What do you mean?
Whatever you were just doing to the lawnmower. Yes, that. See, there's a hook back there on that, isn't there? Yeah, there's a hook back there on that. On that little metal piece that comes up when you do that.
Contact. Something ain't right. Because it's over flooding. But it is idling. Cool. That's what we wanted. Now we just got to figure out why it's overflowing. I evidently didn't do something right when I put it back together.
What about that little pin piece?
What little pin piece? I don't know what little pin piece you're talking about.
That itty bitty piece you didn't know where it went to?
I put it back where it belongs. A little small copper piece?
Yeah.
Yeah, I put it back where it belongs. But you did hear it idle.
Yeah, it idled. Fix the problem. Now we got another one.
I probably just didn't hold my mouth right when I put that little pin back in there. Well, I'm having all kinds of connections. Oh, I need that wrench from over yonder. And the screwdriver.
There's no wrench or screwdriver.
What about that white bucket? That white bucket sitting there? Look inside the garage.
These things?
The crescent wrench won't work. There should be a wrench in there.
What's that?
It's either a 1/2 inch, I think.
You're killing me.
I guess this will come off without having to take it out. Cool. The stuff that I have to take off. I don't know. Looks all right. Oh, you gotta love the taste of gas. Okay. That explains it. Bad O-ring.
Ah.
Now I got some, but where to find them, that's the thing. Okay, I gotta look for some O-rings. Okay, give me a minute. Let me look for some O-rings, and I'll see what I can fix. See if I can fix it. Okay, here we are putting the carburetor back on for a second time. Get it right, Kenny. Get it right. We had to replace a O-ring seal inside the carburetor. Well, it's being difficult again.
So I gotta figure out where that lower one goes.
There we go. What lower one?
Wasn't there another pin? Another hook-like thing?
Yeah, we're gonna worry about it later.
Okay. I mean, I'm assuming we need it.
It's for the choke. So, probably somewhere down the line we need to hook it back up. But I'm gonna have to take this bracket off and see exactly where it hooks and how it hooks. Because it came out of there. And I didn't pay attention to it before it came out. And that carburetor is very particular about how it goes on there. You got to get it just right before them screws will screw in there. And you have to screw them in both at the same time. A little on each one. That's why you get it cockeyed and they won't turn. Puts it in a bind. Ta-da! I mean, it's already tighter than they were when I took it off, so. Da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da.
Try it again, Sam.
Do with one of these clamps. I hate these things. They're a pain in the patookus.
Didn't you have a spare one from the job from the other day?
Yeah, but I'm not going to bother with it right now. I mainly
One
want
of
to get
the
this.
screw-down ones?
I mainly want to get this going.
You got this little plug thing down here. What's that for?
That's just to kill. Fuel kill. Come on. Hey, look at that. It ain't overflooding anymore.
That's a lot of smoke.
It's flooded. Okay. Got something else. I'm probably going to have to end up ordering a rebuild kit for that carburetor. But I'm probably going to have to end up doing. So I'll have to get online and see what I can do about ordering a rebuilder kit for it.
It's smoking.
I just had it running. We fit. Oh, God.
Do all that today. See what I mean? There's that little hole back there, and I thought maybe it was supposed to go on it.
I don't know. I'm going to have to pull that plate off there and see where it goes. But that's about all we're going to get done for it today. Because I got to see if I can get a rebuild kit for it. That's about all we can do for it for right now. There's some gaskets that goes in that carburetor that I don't have. So I'm going to have to order a rebuild kit for that carburetor. So I can get the gaskets that I need. And then we should be able to get it to level out. We've already made progress. We've managed to get it to idle when it wasn't doing that before. It was searching. You heard how it was at the beginning of it. It was searching, trying to find idle. Get the gaskets for that carburetor and get it rebuilt. I'm sure it'll straighten it out and it'll run fine. Until we get the gaskets, have a good one. Thank you for being here. Press that like, subscribe, and bell so we can get notified when another video posts. And there'll probably be a part 2 on this one. So for today, have a good one. Appreciate you. God bless.